HVAC work can seriously pay off if you're into troubleshooting and not scared of electricity, like at all. Alright, so if you want to get good at HVAC, first thing is getting comfy with electrical stuff, since most HVAC problems are about wiring and circuits. Don't skip on learning the basics of how electricity works, because it'll save you tons of headaches later. Find a trade school that balances theory with hands-on practice, but remember, real-world HVAC isn't like a neat classroom lab. Things get messy. Try to get an apprenticeship or a job with a company that's known for actually teaching right. Some places will just mess up your skills because they do low-quality work. When you're on the job, always double-check installations and repairs because a lot of systems out there were put in wrong. Keep your eyes open for new tech and tools in the HVAC world. It helps you stand out. Also, don't be shy about asking questions or looking stuff up to avoid rookie mistakes. Lastly, if you genuinely like helping people stay comfortable and safe in their homes, HVAC can be a great fit. One of the biggest mistakes in HVAC is ignoring electrical safety or not fully understanding circuits, which can lead to dangerous situations or faulty repairs. Fix that by studying electrical basics before touching anything live. Another common problem is poor installation practices. Many systems are done wrong by companies with big budgets but low standards. Always double-check the work and learn the right methods. Third, lots of newbies don't get proper hands-on experience and rely too much on theory from school alone. Try to get real-world training through apprenticeships or jobs where you can learn directly from pros. These fixes help you avoid costly errors and build skills that actually matter. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and care about quality work. It also helps contractors find solid jobs, making it easier to grow their business and reputation in the community.